Okay, good morning to all. Dear students, last video I discussed displacement reaction, single displacement reaction. And now today I discuss double displacement reaction. So what means double? Double, that means suppose two types of rectant and both rectant are present in a compound form. They exchange only ions. That means a reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactant are called double displacement reaction, or this reaction is also called precipitate reaction, as insoluble substance is formed which known as precipitate. It means any reaction that produces a precipitate can be called a precipitate reaction. Suppose double displacement reaction. Here the example, silver nitrate and sodium chloride. These are reactant. So here they exchange only ions. So suppose Ag is a positive, react to chlorine negative and make silver chloride. And same as usual, sodium is a positive, react to nitrate and make sodium nitrate. So here only the charges exchange, means cation and cation, and also anion and anion. Only they change the place. It is called double displacement reaction. Some another example, just see here. Double displacement reaction, it means when two compounds react, if their ions are interchanged, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction. So the ion of one compound is replaced by the ions of the another compound. Ions of identical charge are only interchange. That means cation can be replaced by another cation. So this reaction is also called metathesis reaction. And the symmetrical represents of a double displacement reaction. Suppose AB react to CD, only exchange in place of B to add D, and in place of D add to B. And for a double displacement reaction to take place, one of the product must be a precipitate or water. By this way, there are major classes of double displacement reaction, like that precipitate reaction and neutralization reaction. Just see here, precipitate. Precipitate, that means a substance are combined to if any types of things, and we easily identify one types of substance in a solid form. It is called precipitate. For example, when the clear aqueous solution of potassium iodide means Ki and lead nitrate means PbNO3 are mixed together, a double displacement reaction take place between PbNO3 means lead nitrate react to potassium iodide Ke. After that reaction, it's make lead oxide and potassium nitrate. So potassium and lead displace or replace one another and form a yellow precipitate of lead iodide. It is called precipitate reaction. And this types of reaction, we identify one types of activity, like that. Take a pinch of silver nitrate crystal in our lab, just pinch of silver nitrate crystal. Collect 5 ml of tap water in a test tube. Add this silver nitrate crystal to water and shake well. That means just shake to each other these types of solution. Observe what happened in the test tube and report your observation and what you infer from that. You observe when silver nitrate is mixed to the water, they cannot completely dissolve. That means one types of substance are present in precipitate form, means solid form. And after that, sometimes we observe in lower air area are covered by water, and the upper area covered by water, and the crystal form just collect to downside or bottom side of the test tube. So this is called precipitate reaction. Now next thing, silver nitrate or AgNO3 mixed with distilled water A solution is a homogeneous mixture. So what is a homogeneous mixture? That both types of reactant are present in a same form. So it is called homogeneous mixture. So mixture where one substance dissolve in another substance, the solute is broke down completely into individual ions or molecules. So in water, silver nitrate dissociate into silver positive ions and nitrate negative ions. So this is similar to salt or sugar being soluble in water by they do react. Now next thing, some example of precipitase. So precipitase reaction examples which in a double displacement reaction. So here a solution of containing silver and nitrate ion in the first beaker, and second a solution of potassium ions or chromate. So after that mixing potassium and nitrate in solution and insoluble solid as silver and chromate. Okay, so this is the things to identify. It is an example of precipitate reaction. And next thing, neutralization reaction. So dear student, in previous class also you read neutralization reaction. When the acid react to base, after that reaction it makes salt and water. So suppose sodium hydroxide, it is a base, react to hydrochloric acid, it is a acid. So base and acid are react, after that it's make sodium chloride means salt and water. Same as usual, nitric acid, it is a acid HNO3 react to sodium hydroxide, sorry, ammonium hydroxide. After that reaction it's make ammonium nitrate and water. So ammonium nitrate, it is a salt, and water they form. So this reaction when acid react to base and after that it's convert in the form of salt and water, this reaction is called neutralization reaction. So this is the some examples and some types of double displacement reaction. Okay, thank you. And next video we discuss some another types of reaction.